Good morning everybody. I am recording this tutorial to show you how to access Accelerated Reader at home. So any books that you're reading, if there is a quiz on AR, you will be able to take the quiz at home during our distance learning. So before we begin, you can complete Accelerated Reader on a tablet or a laptop or a phone, but the most important thing is that you use this link. You need to make sure that the numbers in the URL or the web address are correct, because each URL is unique to each school. So if you type into Google Accelerated Reader and click the first website, there's a very good chance it will not work. So make sure you have the correct link and you click I am a student. This will come up. You type in your username. It may have just letters, it may have letters and numbers. For some of you there is also a space, so you need to type it in exactly, all in capital letters. And everybody's password is the same, ABC, and click login. Now you will get to this screen and you want to click the orange Accelerated Reader icon. Now you will come to the Find a Book section. So any books that you've been reading, if there is a quiz for it, it will come up in our search. So to find a book, you can search by the title, the author, or the quiz number. So this week, we have been reading Zog. So I'm going to search for Zog. You can type finding the name of the book. Very simple, Z-O-G. And in this instance, it's actually the very first book that comes up. You can also search by the author's name, Julia Donaldson. Now, she has written lots of books, so it could be further down the list. As you can see, there's 15 pages. So usually it is easier to find it by the name of the book. Perfect. So, as you can see, this is the ZPD level, so it's level 3.3. It is a fiction book. This is the quiz number, so if you did want to take note of the quiz number, you can. You don't need to though if you just type in the name, and it's worth 0.5 Accelerated Reader points. So if you would like to take the quiz, you simply click Take Quiz. Now, before you begin the quiz, they want to know how you read the book. So how did you read the book? I was read to, I read with someone, or I read by myself. So it depends who you read with, and if you would like to hear the questions being read aloud, you can do that. You can click Start Quiz. Click on and then click Start Quiz. So if you'd like to hear a voice reading the questions to you, that is up to you. You can click on or off. Now, the most important thing to know is you can only complete each quiz once. So if you are not sure about the book, or maybe you haven't read it in a while, don't do the quiz, go back and read the book, and then do the quiz. And you can also have the quiz, you can have the book with you. You don't have to read it, answer the questions from memory. You have the book beside you and you can reference it. Now I'm going to go back because I'm not going to take the quiz. However, I would like to show you where you can see your progress, because this is important. So this is our little Accelerated Reader flower, and it indicates how many points the student has. When you reach 5 points, you will get your first certificate, which is the Ready Reader. And there's lots of different certifications in Accelerated Reader. Children are at different levels, but as you complete each target, the teacher will be able to assign the next one for you. You can also see my targets, so my certifications, so what you want to earn, and if you've taken any quizzes, any new words that you have learned. So it's a really good way of seeing how much progress you're making and also what you need to do to get your next certificate, or maybe your first certificate to get your Ready Reader. So that is a simple tutorial on Accelerated Reader. To log out, very simply, you just go up to beside your name, tap log out, just in case you're sharing a device and you've got brothers or sisters who are using AR, just to make sure that they're not using your account. So that is a simple tutorial on Accelerated Reader. If you have any questions, please get in touch with your teacher and they will be happy to help. And happy reading!